Hey guys, today I've got a quick review of this portable hot glue gun from Katerk. So this thing is one of my favorite tools that I've been using around the shop. I'm gonna show you how strong it is, how easy to use it is, and overall I've been very happy with it. You would be surprised how many things you can solve with hot glue, especially when you don't have to plug it into the wall and then make sure your crafts and stuff are right near you. I can bring this anywhere around my garage and fix stuff that's hanging loose and all kinds of stuff. So let me show you some of the stuff I've done with it. We'll do some tests with it and we'll see what all comes in the box. Let's get into it. So let's quickly see what comes in the box here. We have the main unit itself. Awesome that it has a nice little base, super easy to set down here. Nice high quality handle here. Glue sticks inserted into the back, and then you can see your power button is right here. Let's see if it came charged. Did come with 2 out of 3 bars. And then you can see right here is our charging port where you're going to plug in the cable. I would have liked to see USB-C here, but hey, it's pretty robust. Might need a bit of a bigger charger. So we have a nice manual here as well. Our charging cable, which is just USB to this barrel plug. So pretty simple there, gonna fit any standard USB block. And then a ton of glue sticks. And these are big and long ones too, which that's what she said. But it's gonna make it so you don't have to switch the stick out as much, and you shouldn't have to buy new ones for a long time either. So let's go ahead and get this thing charged up, and then we'll install a glue stick and start testing it out. So I've went ahead and turned on the device here. Let's see how easy it is to feed in a glue stick. It should just go right in, and then we'll have to kind of pull the trigger to get it to actually pull in. So this bag is opened on one end. You can see very big glue stick here. It's a lot bigger than some other models I've tested. And then we'll go ahead and push that in. It goes in surprisingly far here, basically the whole way. And then we'll see, is it already hot enough to run? And as I pull that trigger, it's going further and further in. There's a bit of resistance right now as this heats up in the end right here. And it does have a nice little plastic cap here, so I can actually hold that and not get burnt. You will only get burned if you touch the very end, so that's a nice safety feature. So we'll continue to wait here. You can see now that the stick is totally in the back, so it is slowly getting melted and fed in. There we go, and now it starts to come out. So not bad at all. That was definitely under a minute. Let's go ahead and test some stuff out. So I'm often finding myself in a position where I want to secure like a little sticker or something onto the wall, but let's see if it can do bigger. So I'm just gonna try to glue a plug directly to this 2x4 right here. This is still heated up from earlier. Just put a nice little glob there, and then let's go ahead and stick this to it. Now with hot glue, you hold it for just a little amount of time and it should start to solidify, at least to the point where you can let go. There you see right there. We'll give that just a little bit longer and see how easy it is to pull off. Now one of the cool things about this is it's not plugged in, guys, so I can take this anywhere I want in my garage. Let me show you a couple other things I've done while this is drying. One of the branches on my little tree here was broken off, and I was able to just put a little dab of hot glue on it and then glue it back in. That was nice. Additionally, my duct tape here was peeling off of this I-beam, and so I ran a bead of hot glue all the way down here, and now my tape is sticking. Even though it's not the tape that's sticking it, it's the hot glue gun. So let's take a look at another thing, but first, let's see here. Can we just go ahead and see how tough this is to pull off? You can see I'm shaking my whole shelf right now. And if I do it from an angle, there you can see it pulled off. But pretty nice again to be able to do that on the fly. Let's put some pieces of wood together. So as a kid, one of our favorite things to do with hot glue was to build little forts and stuff out of popsicle sticks. I unfortunately don't have any popsicle sticks, but I do have some wood here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pull this big nice trigger here, put some hot glue on this, and let's put these two together. Hold them tight for a bit. Again, just being able to place that on its stand is super nice feature there. And let's see, have we went down a battery notch? I've been having this on for about 10 minutes now, and we have not even went down a battery notch. So this is still cooling down just a bit. We'll give it a little bit longer. But there's all kinds of stuff that you can do with this, and it really is hard to understand just how nice it is to have a portable one until you actually get one. try to pull these apart. So your pulling force strength is going to be very good with this glue, but your shear strength in terms of twisting is not going to be as good. But even then, I'm unable to break these, and it's been not even a minute since that dried. So maybe if I bang them, yeah, those are totally stuck together. So check it out, guys, from Katerk.